And it doesn't record the voice?
Yes, I know. I've done the timer.
Great. Wish I had. Clouds.
I set mine up on and leave it there for 10 minutes just to get some of the footage that I get. And it doesn't look like it moves that much, but when you watch it back in replay, you just go like, wow. And you can see the patterns.
The clouds today with those high streaming ice clouds.
Aren't they gorgeous? Drop down, drop down. We've got this half tank out here, or quarter tank out here that we fill up for the cows now. Just so when we have had hot, muggy days, they don't have to go so far. And so that the bull's got somebody to talk to. And then if he does have something to fight over.
Does the bull occasionally get company? Is it let out with the cows once a year?
Well, I should leave John to tell you that funny story.
Chooses the time himself?
No. John got rid of the big bull and brought this one in, and he was going to give the cows, he wanted to give them a year off. So,
Here it is,
should
I've
we
got
get that
something.
for you?
Oops. Get the lighter for me. Girl, bring it, bring it.
Sorry, I wasn't sure if you'd go in automatically too.
Oops, bring it. Just accidentally. Drop. Yeah.
So no bulls were supposed to be in with these cows. And then what happened was all these calves started being born. And we worked out it was next door's bull kept breaking in and he's impregnant. he's not big enough yet. No, when the other big bull was here, he wouldn't tolerate it.
So he's grown up enough to do the deed himself now?
Not yet, no. This other bull got in and disrupted everything. So none of them are in season, so you've got to wait another year now, 9 months.
Come on. Come on, bud. Back here.
Struggle getting out of the gate with the trailer on.
With the cows.
The trailer and the bus.
Ah, out there, yeah.
Drop.
It's hearing noise down there.
Drop.
Someone's at the gate.
Yeah, kids.
Drop.
It might be, is it medium?
Martina said she might come over. Are you Martina?
Yes, Dashy. How you going, Dash?
Oops. Drop. Good girl.
You can see you.
You had to drop something again.
Is she over there today, was she?